Things that I like to do around Merced is just go to coffee shops that are local, go out eat with my friends. Also, the movies are really fun. Taking walks by the lake here by UC Merced is really nice. It's a beautiful place. Hi, I'm Madeline Behm. I'm a third-year electrical engineering student, and I'm a transfer student from Merced College. So I started out in high school doing dual enrollment, and I graduated a year early. So I took my second year at the community college, and when it came to thinking about transferring to university, I knew I wanted to study electrical engineering, and I found out that UC Merced had just started up a program, and I had the opportunity to be a part of the first class. One of the things that really stood out about UC Merced was the IEEE Club. I work on the onboard car charger project. It's really amazing to get some hands-on experience and to work with a group of students and learn how an onboard charger works. I'm also part of the Women's Society of Engineering. It's really amazing to get to know other students through crafts and activities. What sets UC Merced apart from other schools is the fact that it is so affordable, and with electrical engineering being a smaller program, we have more opportunities to get hands-on experience. One of the things I didn't expect at UC Merced was being so early in my career, being able to listen in on professors' research, as well as the opportunity to take graduate level courses. Through different clubs and organizations, as well as my coursework, I was able to develop skills in soldering and 3D printing. Pairing that with my professors and peer support, I was able to land an internship in electromagnetic compatibility. In this role, I'm going to be working with engineers on testing equipment for different companies to ensure there is no electromagnetic interference. Some advice I give to a student wanting to attend UC Merced or transferring to UC Merced is to join clubs, market, get to know your professors, attend office hours regularly, and have a plan set.